Everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you have not, please don't forget to like or subscribe and also click the bell button right down below. So today a lot of people kind of asked about they wanted to know about what is TTM squeeze and how it works. So I'm gonna kind of explain a little bit about TTM squeeze and how it works. Okay, so TTM squeeze is basically it's like a combination of Bollinger Band and Kettler's channel. So what is Bollinger Band? So when a stocks kind of moves around, it moves around in a certain area. So if you look at that, I mean, a stock always has a volatility. So it's basically like kind of gauging of volatility, how volatile, how up or how high are swings or whatever, right? So what happened is like when the stock is trading in a very tight channel. Look at this here. If you look at the Tesla 1 hour, it's trading really tight channel, right? You see, the thing is like it all the energy is like just kind of right there and it's ready to burst, so that kind of big moves happen, and that's all TTM squeeze is showing. If you look into it right here, so basically you have a red and green dot. So if you look at this red dot, so it's running in that tight channels, and red dot means like it's kind of ready to burst to the move. The move can be in both side, upside or downside. So here we can look into it, right? It was just kind of consolidating, long period of consolidation. So it was just it was getting a lot of energy and ready to kind of burst it out, in simple terms. So if you look at this, it's kind of ready to brush it out, and it just goes up and up. It can really go up for a long time, where here we can see like it's up in uptrend, and within the upwards momentum. So basically TTM squeeze is gauging where the momentum is. The higher the this bar, it just the higher the upside is. Sometimes if you see there's small upside right here, you see like there's some change a little bit, but not much. But here if you see these are bars are higher, so it just implying like it's just moving really high. Yeah, other than that, it can also have a downside. For example, you can see that. So this is within the momentum, it's in the higher momentum, but it's increasing, and this green is increasing and blue is kind of decreasing within. So whenever the stocks never move like straight up line, right? You go higher to a little bit of pullback, then higher, a little bit of pullback, consolidations. Here it's like all consolidating same line, then higher, then a little bit of pullback. That's so within the higher momentum too. The So when it's in uptrend, it's gonna go up and kind of increase. Then when within the higher, it's kind of downtrend, then down. So here consolidating for a while, then again uptrend is started. And sometimes I was looking at the Doku, I think it has a nice downtrend right here. Doku, it was just right there, and you can see this dot, then it was just ready to see the channel. It just tighter channel, right? So this dot means like when the Bollinger Band is very tight, uh, it just has to release the energy. That's all you need to understand. If you look at this Bollinger Band, this is just kind of telling you what the data from the Bollinger Band. You can just, I was just showing example, you can just get rid of that too, that's fine too. But the idea is just I was just showing like how it relates here. See exactly here, it's just very tight, and then you got the very move, right? The tighter it says, like tighter this Bollinger Band is, the higher the move's gonna be. So here you can see a nice almost from what 228 points till we are at almost 193. That's like 30 points, right? $30 within what 5th August to 10 within a week. That's pretty good trade, I would say. Again, like you probably should not trade just of the TTM squeeze. You should always like look at the different, what's the trend line and what support and resistance where the overall market is. But this just another indicator. So that's all pretty much. So you can see that right in a downtrend too, you have a downtrend, then a little bit upward momentum consolidations just trying to move. So it's never down. You have a smaller, so this is a higher 1 hour, you may not see smaller, but within there's a little bit of pullback here, there's a little bit of pullback here, right? So it's always, so that's all it is. So if it's a higher, you'll always in the upper side. So this is a zero line, so higher means like it's gonna be up, and if the price is moving downward momentum. So TTM is just telling you the momentum, what's the momentums, and this red dot, or you can change the color of the dots, you can make it pink or whatever you like, just telling you like it's about to have a kind of big move. That's all it is. And tighter the channel, the bigger the move. So yeah, that's you today. If you have any question or comments, please comment below. And uh, yeah, that's it. And if you want to know or want me to make any other videos, let me know and I'll make one. Thank you.